Bati. Riwruok mar josiasa mamine ma idendo ni Women Political Leaders owuok oko ka kwayo piny owacho manyien mondo bi odewie wang' josiasa mamine lemo mag piny owacho mamalo, mago mag counties ma pacho ka jombetre kaachiel kod tije mamoko mag piny owacho kaka achiel kuom yore mag jiwo tend mine thurka.
Part of our duty was to rally fellow women to vie for different leadership positions as well as vote in order for the women of Kenya to achieve the constitutional Article 27, Chapter 8, that the state shall take legislative and other measures to implement the principle that not more than 2/3 of the members of elective bodies shall be of the same gender.
It is time for Kenya and the world to recognize the benefits of women in leadership and commit to placing even more women in positions of power. The press release by Women Political Leaders on the general elections held on 9th of August 2022. Congratulations to the two leading contenders. Women Political Leaders Kenya congratulates President-elect His Excellency Dr. William Ruto for being declared winner in the recently concluded general elections on the 9th of August 2022. We as women political leaders applaud the President-elect for striking a reconciliatory tone in his acceptance remarks. We equally commend the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga for statesmanly response to the outcome, which was unexpected and painful as it may be. Our country has been saved from imminent turmoil by his and Azimio decision to contest the outcome in court.